Good morning, everybody. We're here, finally. Running a little bit late this morning. Oh man, I probably shouldn't have ran back here to my desk. Expose how out of shape I am. First day of being a funded trader, JJ Trade. Let's go. Congratulations. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Esther. Morning, Tar Heel, DL, Wendell, Opman, Anonymous Futures Trader, Harshal, Jerry Mullet. How are we doing? Aaron, Tristan, Hammerstone Fitness. Let's go, folks. Let's do this. Let us have a good day. All right, let's see what we got going on today. Is there any news? Let's see. I do not see any relevant news today. Should be clear sailing, folks. Should be clear sailing. So, a little bit of an update, folks. A little bit of an oh, hey, DY did. I seen your name. I just remembered. I completely forgot to send you an email last night. Sorry about that. Did you get any more information on yesterday, DY did? Hey, Illuminated Nothing. I'm doing just great. I'm doing great this morning. Oh, man. Good morning, Dom. 9:21. I don't see the time. Oh, thank you for reminding me. Of course, I forgot something this morning. It wouldn't be normal if I wouldn't forget at least one thing. At least one thing. All right, there we go. Also, got to show the trapped orders. Don't need to show that. Okay. All right. Now we're good. Focus, says DL. Good morning, patient trader. Good morning. And they put it back on Apex. Yeah, DOI did. So yeah, I would reach. I mean, I guess I would probably reach out again to them and just point out, hey, this is what they said. I will say, DY did, like, obviously, yeah, I don't know how many times that you've had that issue where you've reached out to support. Um, I don't know. That could, if it's happened a lot and it was, I don't know. It's unfortunate. I wish, but I get your point. Do I cancel my past eval after I've set up for my PA contracts? JJ Trade, it'll automatically, Apex automatically cancels it. Speed Racer, good morning. Good morning. Okay, kind of curious what we do here this morning. So, okay, today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday, right? And maybe I need to think about this a little bit more, but it's been, I think this is now, we've tested this kind of mechanical entry for 9 days, and I totally wanted to test it. I wanted to test and trade a more mechanical type of entry system, and we've done that. And I do have to admit that it's not my cup of tea. I've always, now I think there's definitely a benefit to it. Like, I can understand, like, the benefit of mechanical entries, and I want to keep a healthy amount of that, I guess, but I still think having discretion when entering a trade is important. I think it's very important. And I am going to have I'm going to have a little bit more discretion when entering trades. I am not just going to blindly take trades based off of the setup at all. I'm going to be looking at the market structure, and I'm going to use discretion because in reality, I just know, like, it's always what I've done, and I tested it out. It's not me. It's just not me. Now, what I really want to take away from it is I sometimes do a little bit too much discretionary trading, and that isn't good either. So I want a healthy balance of it. But basically, I'm going to still be trading my zones. It's going to be the same setup. I want to be trading my support and resistance zones, but I'm going to be taking those trades based on discretionary entries. What that means, obviously, is I take the setup based on my discretion, based off what I see, based off of the price action I'm seeing. Basically that's it. Am I going to be wrong or right all the time? No, I'm not. Definitely not. And that's okay. I don't have to be right all the time. But I still think, like, my support and resistance zones and taking trades off of that, I really feel like there's something there. Um, and I like it. It does help me from just entering trades kind of willy nilly, so to speak. So I do want to keep doing that. I do want to keep trading my support and resistance zones, but we are going to be trading off of discretionary entries. And we're still going to be, I'm actually not sure I'm going to even keep showing the footprint chart. I look at the footprint chart continuously when entering trades and exiting. So I'll still be looking at that, but it's just going to be a little different. I thought about waiting until Monday to do this, and overnight I'm like, what's the point? I know what I'm, I knew I wasn't going to, that I was going to change, and I thought, why not just make the change, So that's what we're doing. Hopefully, well, I mean, I don't really care if you guys like it or not. It is what I'm doing. Design. Maybe Broseph will come back now. I think he officially left. He is gone. Design bro. I love it. Oh, I love it. All right, boys. 1 minute till opening. Everybody hold on. Morning, Ron. Good morning. How are you doing? Good morning, Jeff. Drawing price is lower first. So yeah, as far as a game plan for today, I do think, overnight we made new lows all the way down to we lost the 4,900s. So we'll see. If we look at the daily chart now, I mean, we've had just, this is a pretty healthy pullback. From the 16,000s, we are down, we're 1,000 points of pullback now since we've made those new highs. So how much that means, we'll find out. But all right, boys, here we go. We are open. Let's see what happens. Looks like we're making a move higher. Making a move higher this right now. Right off the rip. Nothing major. Obviously not looking to take any trades here at the open. Hey, thank you, Tar Heel. That means a lot coming from you. I appreciate it. No, it's just like, I don't know. I feel like here was my other thought on the mechanical entries. If mechanical entries worked, and I'm not, maybe I shouldn't phrase it. Maybe I shouldn't phrase it that way. But mechanical entries is what trading algos do, or like trading robots do. Like that's what the trading robot, that's basically what we're asking us to be with precise mechanical entries with no discretion. We're just being robots, following exact precise entries, don't care about, whatever. And I think that has been proven that it's difficult to be consistently profitable with that type of approach. I think from what I've seen and heard of people that have a good system, there's always some discretion used by the trader. It's not just blindly always entering. So anyway, I don't know. Just my thoughts. All right, here we go. Pulling back. All right, pull back. Now we're going see what we do here. We got pretty normal volatility here. When I'm moving to ESKM, I'm not sure. I'm not sure yet. I did look back. I did have some chance to back test ES a little bit more, and I didn't have as much. It wasn't as promising as I thought it would be. Now I only back tested like I think it was 30 trading days, but I don't know, kind of gave me a little bit of pause on that. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, we're pulling back here. Are we really gonna just test the lows right away this morning? Question mark. Your bias is down. Yeah, I would not be surprised if we just keep selling off here. I mean, you can see here, this is looking at the ES 60-minute chart, but not showing the overnight sessions. I don't know. I think I just like seeing the overnight. Like if we the 40 the ES, if we sell down below the 44.20s, like could be in for some trouble. But if this 44.20 range holds, I mean, that's definitely an area that I actually didn't have this marked. I thought I marked it, but it might not have saved it. But yeah, that's an important level there. See if we do a gap fill. Gap fill on NQ would be 14,940. Technically 14,947, I guess. So we're not far away. We're 20 points away from a gap fill on NQ. Okay, keep pulling back. We test the 44.10s on ES. Could be, could be. I mean, I could definitely see that happening. We've had definitely feels like starting to feel like a, you know, a bear market more so a bear market than what we've had. Or I would consider this at least. I mean, this right now is just a pullback. It's not a. I wouldn't say this is a bear market, maybe, but It's definitely feeling like the bears are a little bit more in control, but that can change pretty quickly. I think we're a long way away from actually, you know, having in a like technical bear market. All right, seeing a little bit of a bounce, but so far every bounce has been sold off. All right, now that I'm gonna hang on. I'm actually gonna hide this just so it's not as cluttered. All right, just making sure everything's right. Okay, so we are keep making new lows here. Making new lows for the day. Yeah, 14 or did you say, yeah, 850. That breaks. Look out below. Lots of selling this morning. Lots of just kind of a like lots of selling right now. Not a lot of buyers here. Very interesting. Usually at the open, we see at least some form of buying happening. Not so far this morning. Not so much. Hey, Slovenia. I don't think we have any news. No. Nope. Yeah, we very well could be going to the overnight lows. Yeah, all the buying was overnight. Seems like it. Just kind of a slow, methodical move up overnight, and now we're just okay. Did we hit? We didn't quite make it to a gap fill. We were like off by 1.5 points. I don't know. I think I'd consider that a gap fill if someone had to. I don't know. It's very close. Now we're bouncing. Seeing our first of this is kind of the first time we've seen any kind of buying of any significance. See if it holds up. All right, here we go. The bulls are back. They want some action. The bulls want to be a participant here. Yeah, low impact news, nothing major. Nothing I would be like marking on my calendar. Man, Man, if this is all the bulls have in them, that's all they got, then I feel like we're gonna test. I feel like we might test the 40s. We might make a move higher here in the before we go lower. I don't know. But if this is all the bulls can produce here, then look out, boys. Look out. We might have ourselves a doozy. Okay, about to make new lows here. Get that gap fill. And there she goes. Wow. Wow. That's all the bulls could muster. It looks so big on